Hello everyone. Today I will lead everyone how to download GTA V on a PC or laptop for everyone to play. First, everyone will open a browser for me. Next, everyone will go to the Steam homepage for me. I will put the website link in the video description below. When everyone clicks the link, it will open this page. Then, everyone selects Install Steam. Select Install Steam. After downloading the Steam installer, everyone will left-click here to proceed with the installation. Select Yes. Select Next. Select Next. Select Install. Select Finish. Everyone logs into their Steam account. If anyone doesn't have a Steam account, they can create one. After logging into your Steam account, everyone will search for GTA V here. This is the GTA V game. Everyone selects it. Select View Page. To download GTA V on a computer, we need to purchase the game. Everyone selects Add to Cart. Select View My Cart. Select Continue to Payment. Everyone will use a Visa, MasterCard, or PayPal to purchase the game. After purchasing GTA V, the game will be in the Libraries section. Everyone will see the GTA V game here. Then, everyone selects it. Select Install to proceed with downloading and installing the game on the computer. After the installation is complete, everyone can play GTA V on their computer.